In this session, we will learn ls and cat commands. These are the basic and most requirement to operate in terminal mode commands are these two. That is, one is ls and one is cat command. First of all, we will see ls command. ls command for using for list of the directories and files of the particular folder or the directory. Where I am logged in as a user / permissions prompt, and here I am hitting ls and hit enter. These are the directories, what the directories are having in that particular folder or access of the root user I am able to displaying here. And from here I'm using to changing the directory to like home, yeah, and hit enter. Now I am pressing the ls. What are the directories, what are the files and folders are available in that particular home directory, I would like to know. Hence this is the ls command. List of the directories and files will give you more help to what are the files are available in within the directory. By going to the inside the directory, there you have to hit ls admin cd admin now, or else this command is ls-space admin. Also likewise also you can hit. No such files and directory is available here, hence cd admin ls. This is some of the options you need to use to go to the path where you want to see the ls and all. Now I'm going to back to the previous. Now here see, not only seeing the directories and files and all, by pressing ls space hyphen option, I want to specify some of the files and directories which are, what is the privileges are available for that folder and the file, and what is the user, actual user of that file or folder, the directory, when it is created, and what is the name of the directory. Such all historical and the current, the statistical information of that particular directory accurately we will know by pressing the ls-l, and t for time, and r means recursively, ls-space -ltr. You will get all the best data from the output. See, now hit this. Likewise the display it will comes. The first, this is the symbol, it's a permission of the directory, how it is happening. On permission sessions we will see that, and the first letter D indicates it's a directory here. Actually by luckily we have two things here. Now see, and this is the directory, it's indicated dev is in a directory, and hyphen it's indicate it's in a file only, like notepad text files, images, independent images, likewise files only. If the file is starting with the D, it's in a directory. And hard links, how many hard links are available with the directory, and who is the user of the directory created, and group of the user, the group of the user, the capacity of the file, and the month and the date and the time zone, completely date and time. It will be displays everything here of the complete information about the directory, the things. That's the purpose we'll use the ls command in Linux machines. Whereas in Windows you may identify and observe that if you know the command prompt, there is a directory dir space /s. How we will use for complete files, system, subsystem files, directories, subdirectories, everything will be displayed. Likewise, we'll use here in ls-ll to get the information about all. Either enter one L or double L, you will be able to get it. That is all about ls command. And now we will see about cat command. Cat command is a major functionality is there to controlling our text files and configuration files. If any file, simply if you want to display or see what is the content inside the file, simply you'll write the cat space name of the file to see the file content what it's having. Simply here it is on a file name, the content is testing only is there. That is the file I have created only. You want to see multiple files also. Similarly, by using the cat, we can able to create a files and append the data with that, and all the things can also be possible to use the cat command. Now we will use the cat command to create a one text file. For example, cat space greater than space file 1 I'm going to creating, and after creation of the file it will prompt you to what is the text to be entered into that particular file. Cat space / file 1 I am hitting the name of the file I have mentioned here. The file 1 is not available right now here, hence cat / file 1, hit enter. See, the prompt is readily available for taking the input of the user inputs, and this is the creation of cat command testing purpose only. Okay, hit enter there, and now hit Control D for Delhi or D for dog, Control D to save the text file. Okay, once you have saved the file, hit ls and you will identify here the file what we have created. And now I want to see what is the content of the text file is there, what I have created the text file is there or not, the text. Now simply type cat space file 1 and hit enter. Now see here, clearly observe here, this is the creation of the cat command testing purpose only. The same thing what we have created while creation of the file. Likewise, there is a many options while using of the creating and editing and modifying and appending the text files. You will let you know all the information about it. And also cat will use for cat to multiple files to be read at the same time. Cat space file 1, hit enter. The first file it will be shows the matter, what is the matter it's having the content, this is, and the second file by ordering of the ascending order, that the C, this is the creation of the text file command what we have created right now. The second one, the based on the order what we are mentioning here, based on that it will be displayed at the same time. You may see the configuration files, if any, which is the file you want to see. By using the cat command you can able to see the text file what it's having. Do more practice and have a command with this commands. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.